Red is coquino, like a juicy cherry. Blue is bleh, like the sea so merry. Green is brassino, like a grass that's fresh. Jump and dance, we're on a color quest. Let's learn the colors, come on and sing. Greek is so fun, let the colors ring. Yellow is citrino, like a lemon twist. Purple is mauve, can't resist. White is astro, like the clouds up high. Orange is portocali, it's a sunny surprise. Like blue is galacio, like the sky so bright. Come on, let's color the day and night. Pink is rose, it's so sweet and fun. And mauve is black when the day is done. Brown is café, like the earth we love. Let's paint the world with colors from above. Let's learn the colors.